Welcome to our comparison of two powerful AMD processors, the Ryzen 5 5600X and the Ryzen 9 9900X 3D. In this video, we'll explore their specifications, performance, and value for money, helping you decide which CPU is the best fit for your needs. The Ryzen 5 5600X is designed for mainstream gaming, while the Ryzen 9 9900X 3D targets content creators and high-end users. Let's dive into the details. The AMD Ryzen 5 5600X offers excellent performance for gaming with its 6 cores and 12 threads, making it a solid choice for gamers looking for high FPS in popular titles. On the other hand, the Ryzen 9 9900X 3D with its 12 cores, excels in multitasking and content creation, providing the necessary power for demanding applications. While the 5600X is more budget-friendly, the 9900X 3D is designed for users who need top-tier performance. When it comes to pricing, the AMD Ryzen 5 5600X is priced at $299, making it an attractive option for gamers and general users. In contrast, the Ryzen 9 9900X 3D comes with a higher price tag of $599, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. This price difference is significant and should be considered based on your specific needs and budget. Another important factor to consider is socket compatibility. The Ryzen 5 5600X uses the AM4 socket, which is widely supported and compatible with many motherboards. In contrast, the Ryzen 9 9900X 3D utilizes the newer AM5 socket, which may limit motherboard options and could require a more significant investment in a compatible motherboard. This aspect is crucial for users planning to build or upgrade their systems. In conclusion, the AMD Ryzen 5 5600X offers a great balance of performance and price, making it suitable for gaming and everyday tasks. Meanwhile, the Ryzen 9 9900X 3D is ideal for those who need more power for content creation and are willing to invest in a premium product. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech content.